If you will recall that in significant figures, the very last digit that you retain is nothing more than an estimated figure. Everything else is considered precise, but there's always that 1 degree of uncertainty, and thus it's estimated. Now, in adding and subtracting values with significant figures, it's very specific rules that apply. First of all, you want to line all your decimals up. Notice in both of these, that's exactly what I've done. Technically, you could bring your decimal down. Now, add everything to the left of the decimal as you would in a normal situation. So 7 and 5 is 12, 12 and 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 and 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then you bring down the 7. Okay, that's normal arithmetic, normal mathematical operation. It's here on the right side of the decimal. Initially, you can do everything as normal. So bring down the 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 4 plus